Hi Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Santa from Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this cute Santa, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, say about right here, and draw another circle. So just giving myself enough room for his nose. Okay, so we have two circles in. Let's make them draw so cute eyes. So come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom. Shade in the top part right here. And lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. Okay, now that we have the eyes in, let's come above each eye and we're going to draw Santa's brow. So come about right here and we're going to draw a soft curve right over his eye. And I'm just going to round it off to thicken it up. So just thicken this up, nice and soft, and bring it across. So same thing over here, right over his eye, we're going to draw a curve, then round it off. And connect. Then from there, let's draw his nose. So right in between his eyes, we're going to just basically draw an oval. So I got curve, and then I'm going to thicken it up and connect. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's come and start to draw his head and his body. So let's see here. Let's come to the top of your eye. Just use this as your guide. Come to the top of your eye and let's just come out. So say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to start to draw the Squishmallow body shape. So same thing over here. I'm just going to give it like maybe about right here. I'm just going to start my curve. And I'm just going to bring this down a little bit more so I can see what's going on. Okay, so then now let's come, let's see here. Let's go to the top. Bring this up a little bit more. Should bring it up a little bit more. Then from there, I'm going to use these 2 points now that they're pretty even. I'm going to draw a curve right over the brow. So this is going to be the top of Santa's hat. So let's see right here, we just go right across. There. And then now we can go ahead and draw the top of his hat. So we're going to continue this up. Just going to pop it up a little bit. Pop it out, I mean. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect it once again. From there, let's come to the side in this area right here, and I'm going to draw a big circle. So this is basically going to be that big white poof ball on the end of Santa's hat. So I'm just going to draw a big circle right there. And from there, I'm going to come about right here and start to draw a curve. And we're going to peak it at the center. So let's come over. And I'm going to find my center just so it's easier. So say about right here. Just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And I'm going to come all the way to the top, this being my topmost point, and then I can start to come down. So I'm just going to bring this down right here. There. And let's come back in here before I forget and draw this little curve right there. So it looks like it's folded over. So the reason I started over here and went up is because it's just easier for my hands to do that since I'm drawing pretty big. But if you feel more comfortable, you can always draw this curve down at home if you like. So from there, let's start to draw his beard. So we're going to come back to this point right here, and we're going to basically draw a curve around. So here and here, we're going to connect, and basically going to draw a curve, comes right underneath his nose and back up. And then, see, we're starting to draw his beard, right? So then right underneath his nose in this area, let's give Santa a sweet smile first. Very important. I'll just thicken this part up. There, nice sweet smile for Santa. And then let's finish off his beard right here. So say about right here. And about right on the other side, I'm just going to drag a point across, say about right here, so I know where I'm going. I'm going to basically draw his beard, giving a slight angle towards the bottom. So about here will be my center. So let's see here. About right here will be my lowest point, and then I'll go up. There. And round this off. Then now that I know where his beard is, I can go ahead and finish the rest of his body. So I'll bring this squishmallow shape down. And let's bring it a little bit more because we still need to draw his belt. So about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There. Okay, so then now let's draw his buckle. So right in the center, I'm going to basically draw a rounded off square. So round off the corner, come right across, right there, round it off. And connect. And I'm going to come in here and do the same thing, but now I'm just going to draw like a rectangle to thicken up the buckle. And then from there, let's draw the belt. So give it a little bit, come in a little bit, and we're just going to draw a curve all the way across. So same thing here. So I'm just going to drag this point across, approximately right there. And draw a curve down, and let's thicken this up, so about right there, and let's go all the way across. There, now Santa has a belt. And we are pretty much done, except of course I'm going to draw a little heart right here. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this Santa Squishmallow turned out and that inspires you to draw it for the holidays. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.